Hey, bro, what's up? Hey, man, sorry, I was just on the phone. Saw this, got this music going, but it's kind of got OBS got bugged. So are we in? No, one sec. Get the music going here. Music. There we go. What are you up to, obedient slave? What a long, depressing name you have. Are you learning to code? Oh, you're learning from me. Cool. Learning how to be consistent. That's always been my struggle in life, to be honest. Consistency. How do I open this? I need another side view here. Editor pane on the right, but I want assets. There we go. Nice. Just gonna, how do I turn this canvas off for a minute? So, what are we gonna do here? We need, let's start by replacing landscape with, of course, I'm also a programmer. What language are you learning? Are you learning Swift too? Where do I have me here? Oh yeah, here. Image, landscape. You know what? We'll go back and forth to here. I want to see the canvas. Turn off the border here. I am beginning currently learning C and C++. Okay. What are you interested in doing with that? You want to get a job as well? All right. Where is the... Need to open Trello again. But I'm 95% expert in HTML. So, oh wow. So you're already a proper programmer. Oh yeah, this is the file I need to download. Thanks for chiming in, Vendetta. Okay, this is not the first image we want, actually. We want anger close-up. There we go. So, Currently, I am 18. I run multiple e-commerce businesses in UAE. Oh, wow. That's awesome, dude. Awesome. It already looks 1,000 times better with the drawing. Great work. Thanks. Well, we still have these things to rework down here. I'm working off a template at the moment. So we don't want... I'm trying to remember my tab view days. Very passionate about tech. That's really cool. Yeah, so am I. So am I. Bro, I love these animations. I'm gonna get rid of them now. Or maybe we can keep the animations, but we want to, that's why I'm looking to connect, like-minded people. Oh, yeah, man. Of course. Always happy to see more people like you here. You still the same app from yesterday? No, this is not the photo app. This is my startup app that I'm doing with my friend. We're prototyping at the moment. I'm from Australia. So this app helps, I think, it helps autistic children deal with their emotions better and understand how to understand what emotions are what, so it like basically can help them fit into society better. I think that's kind of the gist of it. So we've got a bunch of buttons here which I want to make reusable, so I'll just take one. Is this, what is this button here? Sadness. I'll take happiness here. I'll cut that. We're gonna get rid of the rest of this. Oops. Let's make a new file. Thanks, bud. I am 32. How old are you? Oh yeah, you're 18, right? Sorry, that was an instinctive response. Swift file. Oh no. UI button? No, it's not a UI button though. Emotion button. That's what it is. So we don't need that, and we don't need that. And here is all our issues. We will not keep the reset all button, and get rid of this overlay here too. Just kind of starting a little bit fresh here to get a more distinctive design. You know what? We're just gonna refresh what we're doing here. We'll keep the file, but for the moment, just gonna do it fresh. I will at some point. I don't like to rely on code though. I mean LLMs. I don't like to rely on those things. Hello, Rio. What is up? What is up? You know to learn Swift but don't have macOS right now, but I enjoyed your stream. Oh, thanks, Rio. You should definitely, if you can get your hands on an iPad, you can start too. I know Macs are expensive. Maybe go for like a Mac Mini or an iMac, or an iMac, yeah, or like I think Mac Mini is the one, right? And get a monitor. I'm right now. So I need to. So I just need. I'm setting up a thing here. Oh, is this reversed? Yeah. I'm just setting up the front page here right now. I can actually. Is there? Oh, padding. There we go. And then we can put a text at the bottom. Okay. So that's our main. That's our page one, basically. Page one. Does that work as a rename? Yeah. I feel like it makes it more obvious too. So now let's make a. I'll hold on. I'll bring up the image of what I'm working with right now. Temporary. What's this? Oh no. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh wait, where is it? Here. So oh shit. I'm doing this right now. Working on this. This is what I'm making. So we've got page 1 at the moment. Yes. We do. It's just a starter design, but something to try. So that's what we're looking at that at the moment. Alright, so let's make a page 2. Page 2. And it's gonna have you know what? I have an idea. Does that work? Yes, it does. Okay, cool. We're going to be reusing that a lot. Little Legends text view. The bottom. Perfect. That is cool. Maybe create the button component. Yes, the button component is next. I just felt the urge to make a page 2. Emotion button. Oh wait, it exists. No, I already have it. Okay, what am I doing? There it is. Alright, so first of all, we need a button here. And we'll do the customized one, so we'll have a action and a label. And it's gonna have image of emotion, and then emotion name. And then we're gonna, let's do maybe the glass look would actually work for this, and with the theme background color, and then shadow too. And the button is going to if wrong, move to wrong screen. If right, move to right screen. Correct screen, right? Move to, no, green tick screen. and then red X mark screen. Yeah. Then what do we need here? Oh, let me swap. Let me get off my knees. Ah. Woo. This is fun. Having a blast right now. Working on something real. You know what I'm saying? And I'm doing it without coding right now. I mean, without without coding. I'm doing it without LLMs right now. Just checking if my... I tried to just pay a bill. I think it paid. Or maybe it didn't. What the hell? Does YouTube revenue... I think YouTube revenue doesn't update on the weekends. That's why I haven't updated my revenue. I mean on... Wait, no, it's literally Wednesday. Yeah. All right. Oh man, I know. The back the button? Wait, what? Back the button? What do you mean? What do you mean back the button? Okay, so we need what do we need? An image. Emotion image. State var emotion image type string. Emotion name. Yep. Oh shit. I want that. I meant back to work. Oh yeah. Sorry, no, I had to text my my partner. She's just texting me about something. Oh. She sent me a really nice photo. She only has like 5 minutes that she ever texts me during the day because at work, so. So we have to input the... We need an input for the image. We need an input for the emotion. And then... I know we need input for something else, but let's start with this. So we have image, resource, right? Or just text. Where's our assets here? So we're gonna grab, what do we grab in here? Ashamed, scared, lonely. Let's see the assets here. Ashamed, lonely, scared. Okay, I named them properly. Get a motion button. Let's do ashamed first. Dot sizable. Dot get fit. Dot frame. Not too big. Is 150 the right size? Perhaps. And this is gonna go into an H stack here. And then we need the emotion name's gonna go up here. Oh shit. Text ashamed. Spacing 20, 50 maybe. Dot bold dot font dot large title. That seems okay. Maybe less spacing, 30. Yeah. This is okay. And then we need a dot background of dot red dot click shape dot rounded rectangle. Oh, no, that doesn't work. Rounded rectangle, corner radius 10. And then we need a dot padding here. Okay, not too bad. It's not gonna be actually red, but in fact, I can change the color of it right here. One sec. Bear with me. Gotta do this thing. I have to go into. Hold on. I actually have to go into assets here. New color set. Anger theme red. Perfecto. I was just texted about how to sort out the color. So we're gonna do that. Just have to open up Trello real quick. Okay. Main color. Oh yeah, okay. Main anger main color. Is there somewhere I can type in a hex code here? I feel like there is, but I don't know where. There you go. Okay. Haha. Sweet. We color set. Anger button color. Grab the hex for that. Button outline color? There's a button outline color? Okay. Apparently there is. Anger button outline color. Apparently there's an outline color. Alright, there we go. Wait. Four, 6, 5, 4, 4, 5. It's exactly the same. Just delete that. Okay. Right. You know what? I will. I'm gonna go back and put that back in. In case we, because there will be an outline color in case we change it later. Good point. Okay. So with our motion button here. So now look, I'm considering, let's see if glass actually works here. I don't know if it will. What if I put dot tint here? Nothing happens. Blue. Nothing happens. Okay. Background color. Color dot anger button color. Okay. So, okay, yeah. Does this change anything? No. Okay, forget it then. It does nothing. I thought it would do something, but dot shadow, radius 5. Dot shadow. We want the radius XY. 3, 10, 10, 5, 5, right? 1, 2. How does it look again? Let's just get rid of that then. Okay. Is that actually the button color? Is that right? Anger button color. Okay, I guess it is. It seems darker than, for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know why. Okay, I like that so far. That seems good. So this is actually going to be emotion image, and this is going to be emotion name. And we're going to chuck them in here. Shamed. Oops. Oh, no, that's fine. Shamed. Ashamed. There we go. Cool. That should work. So now when we chuck the button in, if do we need some bindings here? Looks darker because the text is black. Oh, maybe. Thanks, man. We got a reusable button here. Watch this. We can chuck this in here just to have a look. VStack. Emotion button. ashamed, scared, scared, lonely, right? Lonely. Wait. Well, it's not it's not it's not quite there, but we need a specified size for that, right? So we should go. We should add a frame, right? Not just padding. Oh no, hold on. Let's go. Dot frame. Max width. Dot infinity. That should work, right? Page 2 here. Does that work? Kinda. So now we need padding on the dot padding dot horizontal 5. Let's see. Nope. Nope. That's not quite what we want. It's not quite what we want. We can't really get... What is this? Label. What about padding here? Dot horizontal 5. That could be it. Padding on the button itself. There we go. Boys. But we need a little bit more padding. Maybe 15. So we've got a standard size. And it's just padded. Whoa. The pictures are not quite aligned either. Spacing might not be the one to go. Hmm. What if I put this down here, actually? That doesn't work. Put it right there. And maybe we need a spacer here. We might need 3 spacers. I don't know if that's gonna work, but... No, I don't think it's gonna work. We need a fixed position for them. I mean, we're kind of close here. If wrong, move to red X mark screen. If right, okay, well, we basically have the button. Needs to be fixed a little bit. However, let's start with let's grab those other pages here. Success page is an image of a green tick. I do, yes. Generally, no. Sometimes, yes. But not really. Because it just gives me dog shit responses. Pretty much every time. Why? Why is it so far apart? I don't know. That's weird. Maybe the image is just so big that I can't really get the thing on top of it. So I might just... There you go. Right below it. But in work I use it to debug basic stuff. Yeah, I mean, dude, sometimes it hasn't been able to even debug basic stuff for me. Oh, perfect. So any reason for doing native development? Yeah, it's a nicer experience. It's easier for me. I enjoy it more. I love the IDE. I love Apple platforms. Developing for iOS seems really enticing for me. Same for macOS. I will do macOS at some point. And also Swift is a new language, and people really aren't adopting it that much, which is such a shame because I feel like I honestly think they're gonna fall behind, especially considering Swift is now starting support for building on Android. So I feel like in the future I'm gonna be winning. If I put a button here, where does it go? It goes underneath the overlay. So, you know what? I'm not gonna fuck with the overlay right now, because we gotta put other stuff under it. Yo. Oh, the padding was there. Whoops. We do need a double spacer here. That didn't work. Maybe we'll put it within the goddamn thing. That's better. Dot frame. Can I actually change that? No. Okay. So when it's a specific style, can you not change dot button? That's not right. That's stupid. Okay. Well, we might. I mean, do we want really custom buttons here? Probably, right? Yeah, really. They just announced that they're doing Android. They're starting Android. Well, yeah, I mean it's very early days, but it's starting, so yeah. Very exciting. Okay, better get rid of this button and make a custom one. I know that's what we're gonna need anyway, so text next. I just got an updated image. Download. Give me 1 sec. Assets. Delete that green tick. Put this one in. There we go. Let's go back to page 2. What were we doing? Oh, success page, right? There we go. Now we don't need a goddamn... Perfect. Next. Dot font. Dot large title. Dot foreground style. Color dot button. Wait, what color is it? X was fixed. Oh yeah, cool. Thank you. Thank you for the X. Oh yeah. So we've got. Okay, this is gonna be dot border. Content width. Finger button outline color. 2. 5.0. Dot frame. Can we get a clip shape here or no? Dot circle. Just curious. No. We need to add a. We need to add a Actually, how do we do this? Is it just background? Dot background. Dot white. Dot padding. We got dot frame, right? You can still do that. Dot clip shape. Dot circle. Maybe dot padding. What does that do? Dot capsule. But dot black. Let's say black. All right. So, right. Ooh. Right. Okay. Well, here's what we do. Dot anger button outline color. White. There you go. I'm a genius. I'm a freaking genius. Thanks, man. I'm a freaking genius. But this is gonna be right. We need more space though. What if we put a frame here instead? Would that work? Yeah, okay. That actually works. That actually works. We're gonna do rounded rectangle here, corner radius 10. Rounded rectangle, corner radius 10 again. Okay. Oh, that kind of looks weird. 5. There you go. Perfecto. Check that shit out. All right. It looks exactly like what we... Look at this. See that correct one over there? So we've got all these so far. Oh, we don't have the background of that though. Let's go do that real quick. Page 2. Z stack, and then color dot anger main color dot ignore safe area. There we are. And then this needs to be here. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Cool. No doubt. Although, yeah, we need... Where's the reusable text view here? Turn the padding off. Better. There we go. There we go. It looks exactly, almost exactly like the image, right? I realize the little legends thing is actually designed there, but is an image, but yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Not bad, right? So we haven't really built any functionality yet. Here we actually need the background again too. Main, anger main color. And we'll make this white. White. What else is he feeling in the moment? Thanks. 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 Oh, yeah. It's been over an hour now. Where is our... So we kind of need a next button here. Because I'm assuming we're going to move to a new page here. We're obviously going to move to page 2. Which are these 3 buttons here. So this we want to put in nav stack. Oh, we could do a swipe right thing here. Which in that case... Swipe right might be not as good because you can also swipe back. But is that the point, maybe? You want to be able to swipe back? Because you could do that. You could do like a tab view here. And then dot tab view style page. Go for a button. I think a button might be more obvious for a kid. Right? Now I forget how to do that. Is there any intern role available in chat? Yeah. Asking for a friend. So we can do a simple one first. Nav stack. And in the nav stack, we need to do... And we also, well, we need a button here, right? But let's just copy the next button from the success page here. And it won't be... Oh, yeah. So we got next. Oh, no, wait. It's in the wrong spot. Page 1. Here. Label next. And we want the button to go to page 2. I'm trying to think of how to do this. I can't remember how to do this. I think I need to go to AI for this. I know it's a nav stack. I know there might be a navigation destination at the bottom. But going... Wait, hold on. No. Wait, navigation destination, right? Navigation link. There you go. Well. Wait, no, that's not right. What are you? Navigation. Link. Title, key, and... Is it title, key, and value? Title, key, and destination. Isn't it? Next. Destination. Age 2. Dot navigation. Destination. This might be easier than I'm making it, because I'm gonna go to AI now, because I realized that it's just a single button going to a single page. So give context to the AI. Oh, okay. The link is the button, so it's not going to be a button. That's right. Right. So we'll take this text as the label. Take it out. Get rid of this button. We'll just put a navigation link in here. Value label, I think. Is that right? No. Hold on. It's destination. Just destination. And here we go. Page 2. And label is here. There we go. Next. Nice. Nice. We are doing it. That was easy. Now, I have an idea of how to work this thing here at state var destination types of type view, right? Any view? Does that work? I don't know if it works, but let's try, and let's put in, I don't know if it's gonna work, success page. If it works, I'll be blown away. Any issues? Yes, issues. What is the issues? Page 2. Oh, it's just missing it. Any view? Success page. Bro, if this works... Oh, of course. Let's do... Well, let's just put them all at success page because we have to. Okay, those don't go anywhere. The motion button won't go anywhere either, so this is not quite right. Damn. We want the destination to be a variable because we want to be able to input that destination. Destination is of type. Maybe this is not the right way to do it. Probably isn't. Need to open another program that has destinations in it. Maybe I'll just might just use AI here again. Refresh the old memory. Let's take the emotion button here. Oh, okay. It's literally a destination. Let destination type destination. Wait, what? Is it? Is that a property? No, right? Is it? No. No, no, no. See, uh okay, so we just have to there's no other way to This is just going to be our view. So it's not going to be a button. It's going to be a pretty much a label. So let's remove the button part. It's going to be a view. Oh, what am I missing here? Wait a second. Hold on. What have I done? Get rid of this part. And label. This is the label. So H stack go. Here. So we don't need the padding, and we want to get rid of the that should work, right? There you go. So we kind of do need the padding, but doesn't work, right? No. Wait, did it work? Oh, it does work. Okay. 10. 5. 10. Yeah, okay. Let's see what that looks like. Should be fine, right? Should be fine. Yeah, that looks good. It's pretty good. All right, so these are actually going to be nav links with a destination and value. So one's going to go to, for example, they're going to go success page. And then the label's literally going to be the button. There we go. Bam! Damn. All right. That's awesome. We have that set up. So that's easy enough. We can set up more of these. Set them all up here. Nice. All right. So each of these is a navigation link now. And they all just... I could probably set this up as like... I wouldn't have to do so many navigation links. Perhaps if I set up like a struct with the data sets. So make it reusable. Even more reusable, probably. Just checking AI here. I'm building an app that's for a startup that my friend and I are working on. It's for autistic children to help them understand their emotions better. So we've got we start on page 1. We got this page here. Ash is feeling angry. What else is he feeling in this moment? Oh, it's for emotional regulation. Next, is he feeling ashamed, scared, or lonely? What else is he feeling? Let's say scared. Or let's say lonely. No, let's say ashamed. I don't know. Correct. And then next goes nowhere. So it's one of these all go to correct at the moment, but they'll go to a different page at some point. Emotional regulation and understanding, that's what the app is purposed around. All right. Let's try and organize this quickly. So we're gonna. This is the last thing I'm gonna do. We're gonna new empty file. Oh no, I don't want a new empty file. Delete that. Oh, thanks for your subscription, Money Tree. No worries, man. Thanks for asking, Jerry. Do a new file from template. Swift file. Emotion data. Emotion. What am I gonna call this actually? Emotion item. Struct. Emotion item. Identifiable. Var ID equals UUID. We got var emotion image string var emotion name string, and we got something more complicated here that I've never used before. So at view builder var destination view type any view. Does that work? Import SwiftUI. There we go. Lovely. Lovely. Okay, I think that's it. Now we go down to... That's the visual of the button. Ashamed, emotion image, ashamed, destination view, success page. See if that works. Bro. Bro. Well, here it's gonna be emotion item dot emotion name, item dot emotion name, because this is actually emotion image. There we go. That's perfect. What's wrong with this? Right. So hold on a second. Ow, fuck. I just scraped my foot on something. One sec. The floor though. Jeez. Okay. All right. I wonder if I need this. I'm just gonna chuck this into AI and see what it says because I'm confused why this doesn't work here. See if it knows. Is it because of the state? No. Right, so do I need an initializer for this then? Let's see. That might be the issue here. That should... Okay, let's see if that solves this problem. Huh? Look, the AI cannot solve this problem. This is the problem. It says do this. I don't think it's right. Let's get rid of this. Okay, that actually works. It's done a bunch of stuff here. Hold on. Okay. Okay, so if we get rid of this, I get rid of this, and then I get this, and let's say I put this in there. Let's see what happens. Wait, no, that doesn't work either. That fully. No. Wait, what is going on here? Emotion item, destination view, success page. Oh, does it have to have that? Hold up. Maybe we got our issue solved here. Oh, we do. Dude, that was all we needed. Bro, what the hell, man? Bro, it works. Alright. Let's get rid of this. We don't need that. There was just an error with that. Oh, hold on. We have another error. Page 2. Oh, yeah. Hold up. Emotion button. Emotion item. We actually need it here, right? Or do we? No. Do we need it here too? Is it not just passing it through? Test. Ashamed. Success page. I don't know. Let's just get rid of these here. Does that actually work? No. What's our issue now? Page 1. Page 1 goes to page 2. And there's a fill-in thing for the... now we're getting out of control here. It needs an emotion item to go to page 2. Why does it need that? Because I didn't give it a value here, right? Let's do that. And see if it still needs it. No? Now what? Right, don't need that. Okay, no errors. I think, right? Is there an error? No. Okay, it works. So we actually want to cut this emotion, put emotion item in here. We're gonna fix this error. I think I see what we're doing here now. Here, this should. Why? Okay, I have to manually do this. Motion item. Wait, motion item. Oh yeah, that's it. Ashamed. Success page, right? And then there's gonna be an error on the other page, right? Oh no. It works? No, there's an error on page 1, right? But destination view. There's an error here. Ah, fuck, I lost my train of thought where I was going with this. Damn it. It's already 1:44. Fuck. It bothers me. I want to get this fixed. Emotion item destination view. Wait, no, that's not what we want there. That's emotion item. We want an emotion item, right? Right. We need the for each thing going here, so. Fuck. Is there any issue with that? No. Scared. And what was the other one? What was the last one? Lonely. Lonely, and we'll get rid of this one here. Right, so for each motion options, would it not be? Why wouldn't I just do emotion items here, actually? Why did I have to make that? Oh, because that's the emotion options. We don't need ID, right? Emotion in. Emotion item dot name. Oh, hold on. Emotion item dot name. Emotion name. Emotion item dot image, and then emotion item dot destination view. Here we go. Okay. I think we've done it. We've done it, boys. We've done it. There we go. Easy. Now we have a reusable button. Cool. Alright, we've done it. Oh, so happy. That is the way to do the code. Alright. Thanks to AI for a little bit of help there, but I had to get there in the end myself. Thanks so much, guys. I gotta head out. I had to do that really quickly. I wanted to finish it. And I gotta go wash 2 cars. So, I'll probably see you tonight if you're available. Otherwise, take care, everyone. And we'll work on this a bit more later. So we got page 1. Actually angry. What else are you feeling in the moment? Next. Ashamed, scared, lonely. Correct. Well, I don't think it's lonely in that. I think it's actually ashamed, maybe. But, damn, man, it's working. We got these buttons working. Cool. Alright. Don't know why we jumped from 9 to 16 viewers just then, but unfortunately, I'm just finishing my stream. So, feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next one, because we do fun stuff in here. We're all learning, so. I also have a Discord as well if you guys want to join the community too. That is in the link is in the description, actually. So, yeah. See you guys. Take care.